What's good, guys? It's your girl DJ Young Wavy Fox, and I want you to join me in a day in the life of a DJ. I'm Casey Gotay, also known as DJ Young Wavy Fox. I'm a DJ and multidisciplinary artist. My life on social media and my real life, those are two different girls. Wavy Fox is more outgoing, all about the energy, whereas Casey just wants to kind of tap into self. I like to wake up and start my day in prayer, meditation, stretching. I love to go to my favorite coffee shop. And then after that, I let the day take me into the music. My makeup routine always has to be three things: easy, long-lasting, and stunning. Revlon ColorStay Longwear Makeup Foundation. It's long-lasting and transfer-resistant. ColorStay Micro Brow. It literally has the best spoolie brush and no smudging. Micro Easy Precision Liquid Liner. Because of the micro tip, I can do a precise cat eye, which is literally my go-to. Revlon ColorStay Suede Ink Lipstick. It's lightweight, super nourishing, it has a built-in primer, and it has a non-transfer formula. ColorStay Day to Night Quad. I love playing with fun colors with my eyes because behind a booth, you definitely want your makeup to pop. My makeup lasts all night. Headed to grab my morning coffee. My confidence comes from growing up in an Afro-Latinx household, a Garifuna household. My parents never let me forget that I had to show up and show out. That was my parents' energy towards our culture. Being in a male-dominated industry, I created my own reality. So any goal that I have for myself as a female DJ, it's gonna happen whether men are around or not. You're seeing more women DJs. You're seeing more women in power, period. When you have that foundation of self and self-awareness, the way you move through the world, nobody can tell you nothing. And I know my makeup is gonna last until the sun comes up.